Hello everyone and welcome to the Fundstate channel. Today we will discuss levels, a very important complex topic. Maybe even several episodes about this. I will write how to determine them. There are several categories, levels. Yes, what are they in general? These are price levels from which the price either bounces off or somehow reacts. Yes, price movement occurs from them. So how can you look for them? To start with the most important and difficult levels. These are all high and all Li, that is, the very lowest point, the highest point. Here we have it on KuCoin. Yes, the chart is a bit incomplete. Never mind. We will analyze even in this format the highest point of Bitcoin. This is Alt H in trade. If anything, setting levels. This is all-time high. Here hit 69,000 exactly on KuCoin. At some exchanges it's a little higher, a little lower, no difference. But why will this level be important? Because here there is a break in the price movement. Yes, here the price approached it and rebounded. It could not overcome it. Yes, because here is important pressure. Yes, there are people we've seen in the past that here in this zone, yes, the price reached it and couldn't break through it, couldn't get past it, but it overcame it, so to speak. Yes, all-time high, that's clear. Now we assume that with income in some way, no matter what, up to this level, there will be a reaction. There will be some kind of reaction. Powerful, complex, powerful, substantial like this. Yes, since here there are a large number of orders placed. Yes, all-time high or small. Then we can say, oh, how good that from the strongest, powerful level, that is all-time high, the highest point of the Bitcoin value, there is not much resistance. So we can assume that most likely there will be a squeeze. There will be some kind of trading hike higher on a breakout, especially, yes, if there's a strong breakout, a strong consolidation, then we're talking about, wow, that's it, the price will be here. Yes, the price will go further higher. And the rebound is also very important. Yes, the price breakout and the rebound from it. So how does this level go from a resistance level to a support level? Yes, the first division is the resistance level, support level. The most powerful resistance level is all high, and the support level, the most powerful, is all T, specifically here. We're talking about 3,200. Yes, let's not jinx it so that the price of Bitcoin gets there, yes, because then the crypto market will generally be in shock. But there, we know that there's a very strong level, yes, with some terrible disaster. You can't even imagine, like a nuclear war. When the price gets there will clearly be a rebound. Yes, because here people see that the price was much higher. And from here, there will naturally be a purchase if there is someone to buy. If there is anyone to buy, there are also local and global levels. Yes, we just talked about global levels. There is a categorization, yes, the categorization of levels into local, that is, more locally, we have levels closer. Yes, for example, all recent, so to speak, yes, a few years ago. In the 22nd year, yes, in the 22nd year, this was also an important essential level. How to find local levels is the first. Yes, the first category is a kink in the price movement. Yes, such a picture or such. Yes, it will mean that there is a level here. Yes, in this one, in these, at these values. And how can we determine this? Yes, 1, 2, 3 injections. Yes, that is, we are looking, of course, from the past. It is important for us what happened in the past when working with levels. Yes, of course, the level will rarely be pointed. Pointed 0.20 is exactly here. No, it will be a small range. That is, some people as well. Levels are marked with these remarkable little rectangles. Yes, I mean with ranges, narrow ones, but still ranges. But for most traders, it's still customary to mark levels with straight lines, yes. How can we consider local levels, except that if we don't see any bends but prices don't take notice? We can look at the profile through volume. The volume profile and the VPVR show us where the levels truly are. The levels will be located in the intervals between the volume profiles, and here we see the visible volume profile range, specifically from July to the 20th year that I marked. This range will have the number of traded deals, yes, who bought, who sold, so to speak, yes, short, long, it doesn't matter what kind of deal it was, but between them there will be the strongest level, the strongest ranges from which we will talk about price movement. Yes, there was clearly a level here. Let's mark others because I mark substantial global levels in orange. Yes, powerful ones which are indisputably valid. Yes, that there will be a reaction, and in blue.
И еще, кроме как профилем объема, мы умеем находить уровни с помощью свечей, да, смотреть на свечи. Например, вот этот уровень был существенным в моменте.
At this time, yes, because there is a guiding candle here. Yes, what we are observing here, we are observing that the price went from 1900 to 26,430,434. For us came a significant seller. Yes, that is not to say that he arrived. Orders were there. Yes, that is there was a significant short movement. There was a significant sale. Yes, but can't predict whether it was a single seller or a group of players. It doesn't matter in general. According to candlestick analysis, we can identify here such a local specific level from this candle, which is also traced in the past. Yes, that is, here you can also find confirmation of the existence and legitimacy of this level. Here and naturally it was confirmed here. Yes, that is, the price began to consider it as a level support at a breakout. Yes, that is, this was a local level of resistance from which there was substantial, significant sale. Yes, down. Here, if we look locally, the sale is significant, but with a breakout, we retested it. Went above this level. Yes, so important, significant level, which will play a future role. Yes, in a bear market, when the price will go down from there. So I drew it crookedly, it will respond to it. React to it in the same way? Yes, that is, if the level exists, it doesn't move anywhere. Yes, it is always there at this point, so we can apply all these methods on any time frame. Yes, that is, if we go down here. Yes, for specific movements from November 1st, for instance, we turn on the volume profile and look at where there were significant levels. Significant levels naturally were here. Yes, there was a response to 3,800. Thus, we are holding an important level here, and it's also a transition from one volume profile to another. Why? Because no one wants to be the first. Yes, that's why it's very hard to break through this level. No one wants to be the first to shift from one volume profile to another. So let's say yes, also the levels can be seen on the liquidity map. Yes, on the heat map. This level I showed, 38, yes, let's find it, there is 38. Do you see what it is here? The specific density here, yes, the so-called, is indicated that the orders are for $1 billion, and cumulatively, it is with leverage, and the margin itself, why is it indicated so? Because here either the liquidations on the profits in long or the player's stops are placed, and what are they placed from? The level. Yes, so they stand a bit below this level. And this is just referring to what kind of trading movements we will take from the levels. To summarize, let's open a large weekly chart. The levels have several classifications and several categories. The first classification is resistance and support. That is those who support the price and those who are rebounding. Yes is resistance, price level, price range, and then locally. And there are also exact levels on the 4-hour chart. Yes, for example, this particular level. Yes, it is visible or global large, on which there is more reaction. Yes, that is on local. The levels are less than the reaction. They are easier to break through. And the seller or the buyer is weaker at the moment. At the global level, during the approach to the global level, more reactions and need more trade, more sales or purchases.
объема продаж либо покупок для их пробоя.
For their breakout, here's how we find the levels. By all the first, there are the largest level 2 method of finding by volume profile. Yes, look third by candlesticks. Yes, candlestick analysis. A bare bones, straightforward analysis of the chart without even volume, just watching it globally without anything, without everything, where we had rebounds, where we had a price break. I would like to remind you lastly on which exchange we trade. This is the exchange by Bybit, the largest liquidity, the lowest fees, free replenishment by P2P, and by clicking on the link in the description, you can get a bonus for a deposit of $10, for a replenishment of $100, and a huge bonus of $30,000 for a deposit of $250,000. Bybit will soon cover this promotion, as it is quite expensive for the exchange. Referral code 63583. Hurry up and claim it and trade with me. Thank you very much for your attention. I hope you understand everything. All the best.